How do you know that you are a good digital leader? Or how do you know that you are moving your company in the right direction? Or how do you know that your company will be sustainable? If you are a business owner or you intend to be a business owner, this video is for you, because I'm going to share with you 5 signs that will help you to evaluate yourself as a leader and know if your company will likely be successful. This is not theory, these are signs. Let's go. Sign number 1. Good digital leaders are customer-centric. Leaders prioritize development, and that is driven by customer needs. Without customer, there is no business, there is no sale. Being a successful entrepreneur is nothing more than providing the right products or the right services to meet customer requirements. So take time to know your customer, because they will tell you what they need, when they need, and how much they are willing to pay. And today we use big data to understand what your customer will likely need. So take time to know your customer, because that will help you to satisfy their need, their fulfillment, and you will likely be successful as a leader. Sign number 2, good digital leaders are tech savvy. Being a tech savvy means being aware of the use of modern technology. It's about applying new technologies to business. It is about applying new technologies to find out how you can synchronize your business process. It's about using technologies to find out how you can get better. Today, when you look at technology like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, blockchain, big data, how can you apply those technologies to your business and to improve your business process in order to be more effective and more efficient? Sign number 3, good digital leaders are visionary. What I mean by that is to having a strong vision for your organization. Without vision, you are not leader. And when you have a great vision, you attract great talent in your organization. You attract great people to help you to build your organization. So having a vision in one thing, but your ability to communicate your vision is so important, because vision inspires action. Vision inspires changes. So good digital leaders are visionary. Sign number 4, good digital leaders are agile. Before, we used to manage projects by traditional method, that is means by planning, execute, and evaluate, and we make a lot of mistakes at the end of the project. But today we use agile method to manage projects, to be more flexible, and to take care of the client in the process of project management. So good leaders are flexible and are adaptable. Sign number 5, good digital leaders are data driven. Being data driven means that you use data to make decisions. We use data to understand information and know how to take decisions, and especially decisions about product development or investment. That's critically important, because there are a lot of data we have to use to understand what it means. Good digital leaders understand the value of data. That's why if you are a business owner, use data to understand your business, because that will help you to enhance your business, to improve your business, and to take it to the next level. I share with you 5 signs to help you to evaluate yourself as a leader. How likely your company is going to be successful, or how likely you use those signs. And comment below and let me know which signs you are going to apply to your business. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I will talk about digital transformation, how to understand new digital revolution in order to enhance your organization. Let's keep going together.